If you're like me right now, it just feels like AI is everywhere and anywhere all at the same time, and it's overwhelming and almost a little bit unrealistic. And just where to start and where to begin is just almost too much to even try. But that's what I want to do here is I want to document what it's like to actually learn AI, not as an expert, but as an actual real human being. Okay, so first off, I'm not an AI expert. I'm learning this right now and I plan to learn this in real time with you guys. And then two, if you're also like finding all these hype videos, make AI $10,000 a month in 10 minutes or whatever it is, this is none of that hype. This is literally about learning actual useful AI tools. And if you're like me and you've already been hearing a lot about AI and you just don't know where to start, this is probably the channel for you. Whether you're new to my channel or if you've been here already, we've created a lot of content in many different niches before, but one thing has always been true is I've always enjoyed learning and then teaching. And that just is the way that I enjoy to do this. And I don't want to wait to be an expert to start producing this content for you guys. And I think a lot of people just feel the same way at this point too. Again, I want to be real with you guys. This is not going to be complex coding or hype or any like overnight success stories or anything like that. This is going to be real in time type of learning for you guys. And here's what we're going to be doing. One, I've been able to find AI tools that I can use on a daily basis and like actually use. Two, I want to share with you the beginner mistakes that I'll be making most likely for you so we can learn from those and move on together. And then three, from time to time, run some experiments on some certain types of AIs, what worked, what didn't work, and see what we can do. And most importantly, see how AI can fit into content creation and everyday life for you guys. Again, no hype, no baloney, no overnight success stories, overnight millionaires, just real authentic AI learning for you. So if this sounds like something for you, great. Subscribe to the channel, come learn along with me, and enjoy the ride.